I don't buy fashion online because of the sizing issue. And I know a lot of people who don't buy fashion online too because of the issue with sizing. Unlike when you go into the store, you can pick a piece of shirt, go to the fitting room, try it out, and if it's if it fits you and you like the style, you buy it. We don't have that same experience online. So it's something I've been working on for the last 6-7 years. And one way I thought of doing it was using AI to estimate your size and then take that size and match it with every fashion piece in your city. And then when you open the mobile app that I'm building to implement this system, all that you see in the feed would be fashion pieces that fit you. So I created a fashion category called size e-commerce because I felt we needed a different way to approach the solution. I know there have been other ways that people have tried to do it in the past using virtual reality, augmented reality. One issue I found with that is the consumer don't even know the when they're superimposing the product on their image. There is not that conviction to say, okay, this product really fits me. So what I instead wanted to do was give the consumer that conviction that you see your size, here's the product size, and this is why we think it fits you, this is why we think it's a match. And so what I'm going to work on today is the screen where once the AI in ClothMe, which is the app I'm building, estimate your size, you get to see all of that. So it will estimate size for region, for product, and you can see all of that size. And I also want to give users the option to adjust the size themselves. And down the line, one other thing that ClothMe will also do is give users the ability to give feedback. So whatever size ClothMe generates from the beginning, it's like the starting size, because sizes change every time for kids and for adults, right? So you can always update your size, and ClothMe takes that size, run it through the algorithm again, and ensure that products you see, one, are your size from your city, and then hopefully maybe from the country, because we feel like people go usually to buy product from close by, because that's just the way we behave naturally. So I'm going to work on that screen now. Hopefully I can finish it before the end of the day. For some reason, I'm experiencing some bugs today that I never thought they were in the app. Sometimes you leave your code for some days and then you come back and just find crazy things are happening. What can you do? You fix them. The intention is not to spend too much time today. Record this video. Let's hope that I can get it to work. Yeah, it's getting there, but like you can see, can see the store screen, but I want to see the onboarding. All by default, you're supposed to go to the onboarding flow, but for some reason, because looking at the logs, so this is what the screen looks like, and the sizes are supposed to be displayed here, but it should look more something like, I'm going to add what it should look like from Figma to the screen. So to display the screen more like this and not like this. So I'm going to have to start working on this now to implement it in the screen where you will see your sizes. So my goal is so that you be able to adjust these sizes once it comes back. It's supposed to estimate a recommended size for you. I'm going to call it quits for today, but I was able to get the measurement screen. So normally you will put two images here, and once you hit the generate button, it's supposed to generate your size and display your sizes like this. There'll be more information also displayed when I finish the screen. So you would see your chest, your hips, and it comes in cm and in inches. And also I want to add other sort of recommendation based on your body shape and a couple of other information. Hopefully next week I would have a completed screen and we'll go on from there. It's been a long day fixing these bugs and trying to get the screen to show the measurement. Because of unexpected bugs usually happens when you're working on this kind of complex application. But what I want to do tomorrow is upload some of the initial product data that I got from some of the brands I'm working with, because I feel like now is the time to do that. And also, if you're a fashion designer, or you know a fashion designer, or you have a fashion brand, could be merch, reach out to me. We can see how we can upload your product to for the initial launch. I'm also working on a platform for, how did I say, vendors or maybe fashion brands, because the app it's a marketplace. So it's not like I am going to be the one just uploading product alone. If you have unused clothes, if you have a brand that sells, manufacture or sells other people's clothing, you can upload them on the app, and what the app does immediately is find users who matches your clothes, so the right fit, and just displays the product to them. So it's really customized, and it starts from the city where the user is or where the user is living, and then it goes to the state or the province, and then it goes to the country, and then maybe even beyond the country. So I see one advantage here for fashion brands, which would be you might not have to spend money marketing your product, because it's in the interest of the app to find the right fit for users, because then that's only when the app becomes useful to users. So reach out to me, and maybe we can we can see how we can work together. But tomorrow I want to start uploading some product, and once I'm done with that, I would go back to complete this screen that I worked on today, and then go on from there. You're welcome to join me anytime. I'm here every week, and just uploading one video at a time and trying to get this app finished so that I can upload them in the App Store. Good night. Stay blessed, stay hungry, and stay safe. Bye bye.